Welcome to Daily IQ. Today, 16th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 14 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. As of August 2024, the total number of Ramsar sites? Answer is 85 sites. 3 new wetlands have got the Ramsar site tag, taking the total tally of Ramsar wetlands to 85 in India. The 3 new Ramsar sites are Nanjarayan Bird Sanctuary and Kajuveli Bird Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu and Tawa Reservoir in Madhya Pradesh. The 85 Indian wetlands on the Ramsar list span over 1.35 million hectares. Currently, Tamil Nadu has the maximum number of Ramsar sites, with 18 sites, followed by Uttar Pradesh, with 10 sites. Question number 2. Hockey India has decided to retire former India goalkeeper PR Srijesh's jersey number? Answer is 16. Hockey India announced its decision to retire legendary goalkeeper PR Srijesh's jersey number 16 from the men's senior team. Iconic goalkeeper Srijesh took retirement from international hockey after India's bronze medal triumph against Spain at the Paris Olympics 2024. Hockey India hosted an event on 14th August to honor the icon of the sport, recognizing him with the title of God of Modern Indian Hockey. He was presented with a bouquet, memento and prize money of 25 lakh rupees. Question number 3. Which state government declared the ancient Ratnagiri rock art as protected monument? Answer is Maharashtra. The Maharashtra government has recently declared the geoglyphs and petroglyphs in Ratnagiri as protected monuments under the Maharashtra Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act, 1960. These ancient artworks, dating back to the Mesolithic era, depict various animals and footprints. Ratnagiri hosts over 1,500 artworks across 70 sites, with some included on UNESCO's tentative World Heritage List. Question number 4. Who has been appointed as the Director of Enforcement Directorate? Answer is Rahul Naveen. Acting Enforcement Directorate Chief Rahul Naveen was on 14th August appointed as the full-time director of the Federal Anti-Money Laundering Agency. Naveen is a 1993 batch Indian Revenue Service officer of the Income Tax Cadre. He has been appointed to the post for a period of 2 years. He joined the ED in November 2019 as a special director. Question number 5. Who is set to be honored with the Raj Kapoor Lifetime Achievement Award? Answer is Asha Parekh. Veteran actress Asha Parekh is set to be honored with the Raj Kapoor Lifetime Achievement Award by the Maharashtra government. She is known for her roles in several Hindi films like Katti Patang, Teesri Manzil and Caravan. The awards distribution ceremony set to take place on 21st August 2024 evening at the NSCI Dome at Worli in Mumbai. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as the new Union Home Secretary of India? Answer is Govind Mohan. Senior IS officer Govind Mohan was on 14th August appointed the next Union Home Secretary, succeeding Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Govind, presently serving as Secretary under the Ministry of Culture, will join as officer on special duty in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Question number 7. Which country's Prime Minister, Shretha Thavisin, has been removed by the court? Answer is Thailand. Thailand's top constitutional court has dismissed the country's Prime Minister, Srettha Thavisin, from office for violating ethics. On 14 August 2024, the court held the Prime Minister guilty of violating ethics by appointing a minister, Pichit Chuemban, who had served a jail sentence. After the verdict, Prime Minister Srettha Thavisin resigned from his post. Prime Minister Srettha Thavisin is the fourth Prime Minister of Thailand in the past 16 years. Question number 8. Pramod Bhagat was suspended from Paris Paralympics. He is associated with which sports? Answer is badminton. India's Tokyo 2020 Paralympic gold medal winner in badminton, Pramod Bhagat, suspended for a period of 18 months for breaching the anti-doping regulations. As a result of the suspension, Pramod will miss the Paris 2024 Paralympic Games. On 1 March 2024, the Court of Arbitration of Sport, CAS, Anti-Doping Division, found Pramod Bhagat in breach of the BWF anti-doping regulations for committing 3 whereabouts failures within 12 months. Question number 9. GeoParsi scheme portal has been launched by which union minister? Answer is Kiran Rijiju. Minister of Minority Affairs Kiran Rijiju, along with Minister of State for Minority Affairs George Kurian, on 13 August, launched Hajj Application 2025 and the GeoParsi scheme portal in New Delhi. GeoParsi scheme portal aims to provide financial assistance to the Parsi community through direct benefit transfer mode. Saudi Arabia has allotted a quota of over 1.75 lakh Hajj pilgrims to India for Hajj 2025. Question number 10. Recently, which UT Assembly has passed a resolution to be granted full statehood? Answer is Puducherry. The Puducherry Assembly on 14 August adopted a unanimous resolution urging the centre to grant statehood to the Union Territory of Puducherry. Puducherry, also known as Pondicherry, is a union territory of India consisting of 4 small geographically unconnected districts. On 1 November 1954, the French possessions in India were, de facto, transferred to the Indian Union and Puducherry became a union territory. Question number 11. Who has been appointed as the head coach of Kenya's men's cricket team? Answer is Dodda Ganesh. Former Indian all-rounder Dodda Ganesh has been appointed head coach of Kenya's men's cricket team ahead of the Africa qualifiers for the 2026 T20 World Cup. Ganesh, age 51 years, who played 4 tests and an ODI without much success but did all right in first-class cricket, scoring over 2,000 runs and taking 365 wickets for Karnataka. The men's 2026 T20 World Cup will be co-hosted by India and Sri Lanka. Question number 12. Who has been appointed as bowling coach of Indian men's cricket team? Answer is Mon Mokel. Mon Mokel, the former South African fast bowler, has been appointed as the bowling coach for the Indian men's cricket team. Mokel takes over the role from Paras Mahambare, a former India fast bowler. His appointment finalizes India's coaching staff, which now includes head coach Gautam Gambhir, assistant coaches Abhishek Nair and Ryan ten Doesgate, and fielding coach T. Dilip. Question number 13. Partition Horrors Remembrance Day is observed every year on. Answer is 14th August. Partition Horrors Remembrance Day, also known as Vibhajan Vibhishika Smriti Divas, is observed annually on 14th August in India. In 2021, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that 14th August would be observed annually as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day. The day will remind of the pain and suffering faced by the people of India during the partition. During the partition, British India was divided into two independent dominions, India and Pakistan. Question number 14. Government of India has declared which date as National Space Day? Answer is 23rd August. The Government of India has declared 23rd August as National Space Day to celebrate the remarkable success of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. On 23rd August 2023, the Indian Space Research Organisation reached a significant milestone by successfully landing Chandrayaan-3 on the Moon. Because of this Chandrayaan-3 operation, India became the first country to land near the southern polar region and the fourth country to land on the Moon. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.